Hello friends. Now next in the sequence it's a yellow color paper. This is how we are drawing patterns to it so that it will look something like this. Using this marker and cut it out to that shape. This is how we have cut it out and we are trying to make something in the lower part, and this is how we are trying to roll it out so that after rolling it out you'll get something like this. Here we are drawing a face. This is how it will look upon completing all the shapes, and this is how we can put the face here. A nice caterpillar. Now moving ahead, it's a red color paper. This is how we are trying to roll it out such a way so that it will give the shape to you, and this is how several shapes we can make, and we can paste it in such a way so that it makes a nice colorful red flower over here. This is how we can make the lower portion and create our wall hanging. Moving ahead, we are taking different colorful papers here. Here it's orange paper. This is how we are trying to draw a leaf pattern over here so that after cutting it out, it will look something like this. This is how we have cut it out. Very carefully you have to cut it out, and this is how we are trying to give the shape to our leaves, and upon opening it we'll get a nice leaf over here.